This is the second part of my videos about Unity and GitHub. So I have here my Microsoft Surface Pro. Is an excellent, very portable tablet notebook computer. When you have a mouse, it's surprisingly useful when editing and testing Unity projects. It has 16 gigabytes of memory, an i7 processor, SSD drive, so not a bad computer for game programming, of course, at least this simple game programming. So the first thing is I open my GitHub desktop. I have exactly the same Unity version as on my home desktop computer. That helps a lot. And then when I have already logged in with my GitHub desktop, and from my projects I should be able to find this Flow2D, which I have just uploaded a couple of minutes ago. Let's open it and clone this Flow2D, and I have to select here a folder where it should be cloned, a local folder. I prefer to use my documents. Let me just create here a new folder, Unity, and create that project there. That is user documents, Unity and Flow2D. Clone it. And I also have installed this LFS support in my computer system too. Cloning Flow2D. And immediately says that this repository uses Git LFS to contribute to it. Git LFS must first be initialized. Would you like to do so now? Yes, initialize Git LFS. And now I'm ready. Move over to Unity Hub and open a project. Add project from disk. Documents, Unity and Flow2D, and definitely it may take some time. Again, the reason it's important, or at least convenient, that I use exactly the same Unity editor version on my desktop as well as on my notebooks, is that in that case I can open easily Okay, so the project is open. However, what was interesting that a untitled scene is open, which is actually not included in my project. So therefore, possibly the reason is that I have created this project with Unity, a previous version of the Unity, and I just migrated to this latest version. However, when I open this actual scene and then I open this, here is my game. So I don't know where this untitled screen is coming up, but here is my actual game. And when I start it, yep, here you go. That's how it works. And also when I want to open the C# files, of course I have the option to open it from here, the right hand side. There are the player movements, C# scripts, or of course they can be opened from here too. Again, I use exactly the same Visual Studio 2022. This is a preview edition that works excellently to work with my files, or this is one of the possibility. The other is to open with player, and then here is the player movements. Just double click it here. Anyhow, so that was it, my friends. Take care.